Guys, welcome to Will You Press the Button? Will you press the button? I probably won't, but I might do. Find out in 47 years. Wow, there's a comment on here. And 47 years ago it says that was... This game hasn't been out for 47 years, has it? A move? Surely not. Okay, let's get into the game anyway. Move this. There we go. You live all through that this is... Oh no, I don't like that. No. So I lost. Okay. You gain the ability to bring expert instincts back. Ooh, only once there. Your favourite animal species must go. Oh no! I'd want to bring back a dinosaur. I'll make it I'll put a little seat on it and ride it to school and back. Ugh, but I don't know. I can hear baby crying. I'll just ignore it. Oh, I'd rather have a dinosaur than a cat. Huh? Oh yeah, I got it right. Oh no! Oh, I got it wrong. No. You get to have the celebrity of your choice that can be dirty, kinky as you want, but their parents and your parents are watching the whole time and across the room. Oh. No. Was I right? No, I wasn't right. Go away, advert. I'm not in the mood for you. Alright. You can get whatever you want, when you want, but you have to kill something for no. Oh, I nearly pressed the button. No. That was a good one. Learn a new language, forget your first language. No. Get a shiny new phone that you've wanted for a while. I don't download anyway. Download and install is the different things. You have the ability to travel back in time. Oh, I messed that up. You have the ability to travel back into time to any time in the past. The 7-year-old kid wrote this. Everyone you know and love will no longer know who you are. Rules applies all time periods. Oh. I will not press the button. I don't really need to travel back in time anyway. What is that? You can you get to be a famous musician. People see the word. Yeah, and Justin Bieber is quite possible, quite popular. You can play every video game for free, but the one you like the most. Well, that's good. Why would you not? You became the best cook in the world. You can't eat any food that you've cooked. I don't really cook anyway, but Barack Obama dies. Poland starts ruling the world. No. Poland will not. Oh, advert. Ooh, coffee machine. Espresso. Anyway, back to the game. You became president of the world. President of the world. What a wonderful thing. I don't think that's possible. You let King Jong-un take over after a month, and seeing it's too hard eventually causes the destruction of the world. Yeah, I'll be the president for the world. You can be a world renowned musician. Your children are born deaf. Yeah, that comment there. Just don't have kids and if you do, just adopt. Yeah, good idea. Oh, go away, advert. Oh, yeah. What? Metasilia? I don't know who that is or what that is. Never released Lulu. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna say no. I don't know any of that. You get all Batman's gadget. Batman killed your parents and your dog. First of all, I don't have a dog. But my parents, maybe not. You get immortality and infinite funding to, I don't know if I said that right, but no one cares. It's a free world. Enjoy your own. And the size of Jamaica, that's not the biggest, but I go choosing your tagged kill on site outside there. I don't know what they're on about, so I didn't read it properly. Oh god. Oh god, where do I click this there? You have 10,000 MB download speed. Okay. No. I don't know what download speed is, but be able to grow any part of your body. But it's permanent. Why would you need to grow anything anyway? The people that you meet love you. You have to carry used diaper in your pocket. No way. Why would you do that? You understand every language in the world. You can't communicate in any of them. What's the point of that then? What's the point of knowing every bloody language in the world and just not be able to use them? That's just pointless. But become the illegal worldwide. But pizza will come illegal. Does that say marijuana? I think it does say marijuana. I don't care. And pizza's good. I like pizza. Flying cars. Oh. You'll drive any car you want for the rest of... Oh, God. You can drive any car you want at any time for the rest of your life. Besides driving, you cannot use other model of transportation aside from walking. That's good. I'll have a car. I'll stick with one car. I don't know what that car would. You live forever, can't become famous, can't become rich, and can only live with an average boring life. Average lifespan, billionaire, famous for something great. What? But, wait. You live forever, you can't become famous, become rich, can only live an average boring life, but average lifespan, billionaire, famous for something great. I don't get it. Mobile Strike, I've already played that yesterday. You had the power to bring back one great music and fan from the past that died. John Lennon can move and to screw it. But they can only sing Justin Bieber on One Direction songs. I don't mind some of Justin Bieber's and don't really like One Direction. You gain the powers of Dr. Manhattan. You have to wear a fedora and a flame shirt. Nah. I was right. You turn into a cockroach. They are horrible. I might click the will not button, but I'll read the rest of it. You'd be gold-plated cockroach that millions of people worship. Also free food. Oh, I still don't like cockroaches. The horrible creatures. Oh. What are you doing? Don't ever ruin my video. Your lifespan trips and you will remain perfect physical conditions for the rest of your life, and you eat 20 live worms a day, but all food will taste amazing, but eating will make you favorite better. I died. Why didn't I put full stop? Well, they did put full stop, so I didn't care. I didn't read it properly. No, I'm not doing that again. No, I will not press the button. I said I will not press the button. Your teeth and breath will always be fresh and clean. Everything you and there I got interrupted. Yeah. So you eat this, like, just brush your teeth, especially at arms. I will not. I will. I eat a lot of mints. I just thought everything tastes like mint to me. Oh my god, you've already come out. Okay, second to like 15th question. Valve recently released. I don't know what it said. Half Life Free, which was considered the best video game of the century. Hair on my tablet. You can never play Team Fortress 2 again. Oh, I've never played Team. There. You will get all the girls, but you become a girl. But then how they... It doesn't make sense. Oh god, go ahead. That advert game kind of thing just came on. I actually might get that. It looks good. It's called War Robots. You can read a whole book in minutes. You only talk about the book in the speed you read it. Wait. You can only talk about the book in the speed you read it. I will not. I didn't read that properly, so I didn't know what it was about. Every time you press the button on this website, it will become true. The negative things will also come true. Is that a bad thing? Find out in the next episode of Will You Press the Button? Bye! Also guys, if I leave, subscribe to my friend. He's only got 5 subscribers. So sad. It's called Zasmo. The name is there. All his videos are here. I won't show the videos because you have to get him into them yourself. Bye!